stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way